Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In here, I'm going to show you how you can catch the Sushi Cardinal in Fish It Roblox. So the Sushi Cardinal isn't just a cool looking fish, it's an epic tire fish in Fish It. And I'm going to show you the location and the bait hack that you need to get this one. So for the location, the Sushi Cardinal can be found inside the Kohana Island. If needed, you can also use the fishing radar to know exactly where you can find the Sushi Cardinal in here, because it will be marked like this. And the Sushi Cardinal also can be caught in any time and in any weather. It's no problem if you fish it on at night or in a certain weather. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thing.